this meat grinder, but I haven't played the actual game. Oh god. I forgot to read them! Read them? That was not. That felt so bad. My god, these games. You're up this early. I was just about to have breakfast. 1, 2, 3, go! Okay. 1, 2, 3, go! Yes. Wait 2 for the close ones. 1, 2, go! Excellent. Both will come at once. Okay. 1, 2, go! The one with the dancing flowers. That's it. Oh no! 1, 2, go! 1, 2, go! 1, 2, go! You didn't even eat the last one. I'm cooked. Let's go. Actually, that wasn't that bad. It was pretty fun. Hey! Lump of rice. Trick on the class. Of course. Me and her. I'm trying to ignore her, but grabbing attention? Oh god. What? I'm scared. How? How did I just do that? Paper airplane. 2 beats. To go. I missed the last one. But oh no. The thing. I better duck and fat. The thing. What the hell? So normal things go on 1 beat. Paper airplanes 2, lasers also 2. Wasn't this the monkey rock song? God damn it. Da, 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 da. No, the switch! The switch! Ah! How long is this game? I missed the last one. Oh, that was actually so bad. Kiss. No! What? Totem climb practice. Oh god, that's a lot. Press A or tap to jump. It's for jumping, not landing.
2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Was so bad. No. Okay. Bro. Okay. I'm not. I don't think I'll struggle.
2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
I'm on fire. Oh my god, no way. I like bird. Oh. That's what I said.